Taylor's best guitars on the planet. This is the Bob Dylan song, one of the greatest lyricists this planet's ever seen. I've got the audacity to attempt to do one of his. It's called Buckets of Rain. I do it in open D tuning for any guitarist among us. Just makes life easy. Anyway, here goes. Buckets of rain, buckets of tears, got all them buckets coming out of my ears, and buckets of moonbeams in my hands. While you got all the love I can't stand. Said I like your smile and your fingertips, I like the way that you move your hips, and I like the cool way you look at me. Well, everything about you is bringing misery. Said a little red wagon, little red bike, I ain't no monkey, but I know what I like, and I like the way you love this song so slow. I'm taking you with me if I go. Well, like I said, life is a bus. All you can do, you do as you must. You do what you must do, and you do it so well. I do it for you, can't you tell? Said buckets of rain, buckets of tears, got all them buckets coming out of my ears, and buckets of moonbeams in my hands. Well, you got all the love I can stand. Said you got all the love